Hey, what's up YouTube? Top Shelf Tesla here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be reviewing the KUNIST grill mesh covers for your Model 3 or Model Y. The purpose of these accessories is to protect your louvres and your radiator from debris that could fly in. So you see you have the mesh insert here, and these are a direct fit right over your existing grill panel. So there's no tools required, it's just snap in place. It comes in two pieces in the box. No instructions are included. Basically, the way this works is you have two interlocking parts here, and they would just snap together, and they would fit right into your existing grill opening. So let's take a look at the car and figure out how we're going to install this. Before we get there, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Like, share, and comment. Helps our channel grow and lets us make more videos for you in the future. Alright, so we're in front of the car now, and as you can see, this is the Model 3 existing grill. If you look inside, there are actual louvres that open and close when you actuate your HVAC system. So as you're requesting air conditioning or heat in the cabin, those louvres will open up and close and allow air to come in, which will then be cooled to or heated to the temperature of your liking. So I do have a camera in the front here. We're going to install this behind the camera, so it's not going to occlude anything. We'll work around the wire there. Okay, so the first piece we're going to put in, make sure your grill is facing, matching up with the same exact direction as your existing. Okay, so for this install, I did have to just move my camera so that I can get this in place, and then I'll refasten it at the end. So you can see it's a pretty flush mount fit. And we're going to start with the left side where you have the two holes. The other piece is going to lock into there, and we're just simply going to press up and press it into place, and it'll snap right in place, and there's no issues. Nice, easy, simple install. We're going to get the second piece out now, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. We're going to make sure those holes line up right there. And everything's in there nice and seated properly. And now we could just move our camera back over. We do have a front camera. This is definitely camera friendly. You're just going to have to move your mount and then reattach it, which is not a big deal. We'll just get another piece of double-sided tape, and it's in. And now you have an extra layer of protection on your grill. So your grill is now, you could see through. Okay, those louvers do open and close on their own, and they are pretty exposed without this mesh. This is similar to the accessory we installed in the front, the KUNIST rain deflector. It's one of those things that kind of makes you say, why didn't Tesla do this in the factory? But nonetheless, the installation is very simple, very easy, great quality product, nice and solid ABS plastic. The grill mesh in the back is all tack welded down into the plastic, so there's no issues with it coming loose. And you can see there's no gaps on the side. The top gaps are normal, that's for air to flow through, and I also have the camera there, so the wire is poking through. I may try to fish a little bit out and center it on the gap there so it doesn't press down. Alright guys, so we got the camera back attached, and overall, like I said, the build quality on this is great. It's nice and stable. It's not moving around. Some of the other variants that are sold do have double-sided sticky tape on them. This one does not, which I actually prefer because it doesn't mar the bumper or anything. This just kind of clicks into place. And to remove it, you just simply put a pry tool in one of these little openings here in the center, and you pry outwards, and the panels will come right out. So overall, it's a great accessory. There's really no downside to it. It's an extra level of protection. It's friendly with other accessories. You see they have the camera remounted there. The deer warner is still remounted, so I definitely think this is a good option if you're looking to protect your HVAC system, your louvers. This is pretty low to the ground, then you could get a lot of debris in there and kick up a rock or something, get stuck in those louvers. I've seen it happen before. So for 30 bucks, you can rest your head and not worry about getting anything in there. All right, until next time, see you in the next video. Take care.